It is down in the jungles of South America. Survival time begins. The Keel-Billed toucan, also called the Rainbow-billed toucan. This bird can be found on elevations up to 1,900 meters above sea level. They mostly inhabit the tropical and subtropical rainforests of southern Mexico, Venezuela, and Colombia. They mostly feed on fruits, insects, lizards, snakes, small birds, and other invertebrates. The keel-billed toucan can grow to a length of about 55 centimeters long, with the large bill size averaging 15 centimeters long. This bird can weigh up to 400 grams, and they have a lifespan of about 15 to 20 years in captivity.